Alright, welcome back. Video number 2 in our nightstand build. First video, we built the drawer, so we'll throw that off the screen. We don't need it anymore. This video, we're going to build the stand. And in the third one, we'll bring them all together as an assembly. So I'm going to close this one down and open up a new part. Once I get my new part open, I'm just going to grab myself a sketch and throw it on the front plane. And I'm going to go back to my center rectangle. So our drawer was a 6 by 12. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it a 7 by 13. There we go. And then I will extrude it. Our drawer was 12 inches long, so I'll just make this 12 and a half. Good. Now I just have to make the cutout that the drawer can fit in. For that, sketch, slap it on this front surface. Again, center rectangle. And smart dimension it, same size as the drawer. 6 inches tall, 12 inches wide. Turn this into a feature. It's going to be an extruded cut. And I'll make it the same depth as the drawer, 12 inches. There you go. Now I got a pocket the exact same size as that drawer we made. So now on the bottom, I just got to put some feet. So I'm going to take a sketch, slap it on the bottom. This time, instead of my center rectangle, I'm going to use corner rectangles. Start in the very corner, draw myself a little rectangle. I'm just going to draw all 4 of them. Then I'll come back and dimension them. And something like that. Grab my smart dimension tool. I'm just going to make all these 2 inches. And 2 inches. And 2. 2. 2. And the last one. 2. And believe it or not, another 2. Fantastic. Now I'm going to turn these into features, extrude, and we'll make this guy 24 inches, so 2 feet tall. All right, got myself a nice little nightstand. If I wanted to add some color to it, just select the whole part, come up here into appearance. When your menu pops up, just start clicking around, have fun with it, decorate however you want to decorate. I'll see you on video 3 and we'll make an assembly.